morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Garden is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you how to sow the seeds of Portulaca. These are the Portulaca sundial mix from Binari. This contains around 1000 seeds here. Now I am showing you the soil mix I am taking here. 3 parts garden soil, 3% vermicompost and 3 parts of cow dung compost and 1 part sand. So now you see these are the small holes here, covering it with some small net and filling it up with soil. Now water it. This is mixed with some fungicide, sharp fungicide. I mixed it here, 1 teaspoonful. Now I am taking out the seeds from here. I am tearing out the packet from here. These are the packets, and seeds are very tiny. These are the tiny seeds. Very tiny seeds. Now sprinkle seeds from here. You see. These are here. And sprinkle soil mix, a thin layer. Again water it small amount. Cover it with newspaper for 3 to 5 days. And it will take germination around 10 days. It will take germination. Keep it in semi-shade area for about 5 days, and after 5 days just sprinkle every day, sprinkle water little bit, and I'll give you the updates after a couple of days. Just keep watching, I'm giving you the update. Thank you. Welcome back friends. After 2 months of sowing the seeds of Portulaca or this 9 o'clock, and these are the seeds germinated and well grown. Now time to transplant it, and our assistant Sogat Ali Sheikh is mixing 20% compost in 80% garden soil. This is the nice soil mix for growing Portulaca or 9 o'clock or moss rose, and these are now transplanting in 3-inch pot. And the soil mix, they are filling up with soil mix this 3-inch pot, and now planting 1 plant each in 1 pot. And after growing it long, you can transplant it in bigger pot, or you can break it into small pieces, and you can grow hundreds and hundreds of plants here. And you see the transplant method, and he is transplanting, and after transplanting you can keep it in semi-shade area for 2 to 3 days, and then you can keep it in direct sunlight, full sunlight. I tell you, the Portulaca or 9 o'clock needs full sunlight for harvesting and growing and flowering, everything. And now transplantation process is complete, and it's time to water it properly. So now time to water it and give them full sunlight, because for flowering of Portulaca they need lots of sunlight. So this is now, and if you want you can grow in small pieces in small some hanging baskets also. He is filling up soil, the same soil mix in hanging baskets. Now time to water it. He is watering the plants, and the another pot they have filled up soil, the hanging baskets. And now I am showing you how to break it into small pieces. Just break it in small pieces. You can make it one single branch into 3 to 4 pieces, and you can grow them and push them into soil, and they will grow and they will root automatically. And in 10 to 15 days they will be totally ramification, and they will be full of this container. So this is the whole process of growing Portulaca from seeds, or you can put it into small pieces. There's branches also, they ramify very nice, they grow very nice into small broken pieces. So this is all for process. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.